Breaking news. Major tariff shifts spark global repercussions. President Trump has enacted sweeping new tariffs, imposing a 25% levy on steel and aluminum imports from all countries. This bold move, which took effect overnight, has already triggered a major response from European nations, who have retaliated with their own tariffs, totaling $28 billion on U.S. goods. The immediate concern is the impact on American consumers, who could soon feel the effects at the checkout counter. These tariffs will raise the cost of steel and aluminum, materials used in everything from cars to medical devices to food cans. The result? Higher prices for many U.S. businesses and, inevitably, for consumers as well. The global fallout after President Trump's decision, European Union leaders expressed their discontent, calling the tariffs unjustified. Just hours after the announcement, the EU unveiled retaliatory tariffs on U.S. goods, including items like bourbon, peanut butter, jeans, and motorbikes. These measures will begin next month, leaving room for possible negotiations, but they are set to further strain U.S. workers in sectors dependent on international trade. As the stock markets open, analysts are watching closely. U.S. stock futures were slightly up following steep losses earlier in the week, with investors bracing for more volatility as the effects of these tariffs continue to unfold. The toll on American business. Steel and aluminum are critical materials used in manufacturing a wide array of products. As these tariffs increase prices for these metals, the cost of producing everything from appliances to infrastructure will rise. Experts warn that this could harm U.S. manufacturing, potentially leading to job losses. Even major American manufacturers like Alcoa have cautioned that these tariffs could lead to the loss of 100,000 jobs. Some believe this trade war could escalate, with countries like Canada, Mexico, China, and South Korea now needing to decide how to respond. The immediate effects are already evident, and with Europe's $28 billion worth of tariffs, the stakes are high. Market uncertainty and potential recession. Though President Trump argues that these tariffs are necessary to balance global trade, some experts are concerned about the longer-term economic consequences. Higher prices for steel and aluminum could push the U.S. economy into a recession. Goldman Sachs has already raised its recession forecast, though experts note the odds remain low for now. The Wall Street Journal has weighed in, calling the trade war the dumbest in history, and warning that such conflicts can quickly spiral out of control. Their editorial notes that the effects of these policies could be disastrous, especially as the U.S. heads into an election cycle. Political reaction. Democratic Senator Richard Blumenthal expressed concerns about the potential for a global trade conflict and the immediate risks to the U.S. economy. He highlighted how these tariffs could raise the prices of everyday goods, including groceries, gas, and electricity, which would hurt ordinary Americans the most. In response, President Trump has downplayed the stock market turmoil, placing the blame on the previous administration's economic policies. While Trump's supporters believe these tariffs are a necessary step, critics argue that they could undo the economic progress made in recent years. As this trade war intensifies, Americans are left wondering how much longer they can bear the pain of higher prices and market instability. Only time will tell how far these tariffs will go and what the ultimate cost will be for the U.S. economy.